Hello YouTube, this is again Eric at RC Monster Garage, and right now we are with the Dukono PRO. We earlier did a video review of an unboxing of the Dukono, the regular brushed electric. This bad boy is actually the brushless version of it. Let's see what there is inside, and later we compare between the two videos. Like and subscribe and give us your comments. We're going to be giving free Red Cat Racing hats and free Red Cat Racing shirt given to us by Red Cat Racing, so we're giving it to you guys. Like and subscribe, don't forget. Let's start. It's already been open on the back. Let's remove the top and see what we got here. To start, all the warning and attention, we won't pay attention to it this time. Let's pull the vehicle. The vehicle is tied on in the box. Kind of hard to pull out. Let's cut the remote out. Get ready when you get those vehicles. You will need X-Acto blade to release them. They are tied really nicely into the box. So what you need to do is just cut very gently under your body. Cut those strips, and the vehicle will be coming out. We don't need this anymore. And there is our vehicle. This is the Red Cat Racing Dukono PRO. Already, just opening the box, you could see that this is a completely different color. This is the metal gun gray. Really cool. We're going to compare it later with the other color. Come with the same remote, the same basic remote. You're going to need 4 AA batteries for this remote. The same style that you open the back of it, and you have all your trims. Now let's go look at the vehicle. Let's start from the bottom. Overall, look exactly the same. You have the same front bumper, the same frame. It looks like a 3-piece frame, so you have the front, the center part, and the rear. I think it's going to be very good when you crash and break some part. You're not going to have to change the entire frame, and it will save a lot of money, especially if you like to go and mess around with your cars. The tires look exactly the same. They kind of look like a nice beat like tires. Let's see what there is under the hood. One trick when you pull in the pins is actually to press the body a little bit down and then pull your pins out, and then you're not going to scratch it. The other trick is to put a small zip tie right in here, and then you can just pull it out with no problem. Now let's see what there is under it. Okay, again, warning sign. You may use lithium battery that can catch fire, and other charging instruction that we don't need right now, since this vehicle is not arriving with any kind of battery. You're gonna have to supply your own battery for this vehicle. They supposedly work for QS LiPo 7.4 volt, even though it's a 60 amp ESC that's set up for a 3S. I will check it later on with a 3S, even though Red Cat Racing recommend only a 2S, and I will see what be the consequences. Maybe I'm gonna burn the motor, maybe just gonna get overheated. I don't think it's gonna be a problem. Let's see what we got here. After you move all the warning stickers and everything, you can see that you start with a nice 3300 kV brushless electric motor. Those motors, there are new Red Cat motors that start arriving on the Volcano cars, and they're pretty strong. They produce a lot of power and a lot of speed. Also, this arrives with a DIN connector, so whatever battery that you have at home have to be with the DIN plugs or with a DIN adapter in order to fit. Over here there is a big battery bay that comes with those Velcro strips. so you can just strip your battery in and you're good to go. Now, very interesting, I'm looking at the servo. The steering servo here is a 15 kilogram steering servo with a metal gear, not as the Dukono basic model that come brushed, and it's only 6 kilogram. So this is a much stronger servo inside, so it's a very good thing. This vehicle as well is waterproof. It's come already with a waterproof box on your receiver. The same shock tower, the same body mount, the same wheelie bar on the back as the previous model. I think that overall between the models it's the same frame. The only thing that got changed, the vehicle is exactly the same, it's just the power plant. We have here brushless motor, brushless CAC, and a better servo. Everything else is exactly as the regular Dukono. We're going to compare them one-to-one in the next video, so you can see which vehicle have what. It will be a very simple comparison, I think. Overall, I think this will be a lot of fun to start with this vehicle. There is a small adjustment screw over here that you can adjust the height of the motor. It means that you're going to be able easily to set up your pinion gear here and change it between smaller to bigger one to get more power or more speed out of this vehicle. The same bumper is on the basic model, that is the bumper that can fall backwards with the holes to put light in it. I'm going to show later on in a video those light kits that actually can fit in this vehicle. Very good shock, exactly like in the other car. And again, I think it's the same vehicle. Overall, let's go and try it outside and see how far it's going to jump. One of the tests that we're going to do later, we're just going to do a long jump test, and we're going to check how far can you jump with a brushless motor versus the brushed, and do a kind of a comparison test for speed, acceleration, jumping, and durability. When you talk about durability, usually whatever brushless go faster. When you go faster, you hit harder. When you hit harder, you break more parts. Simple as that. Anyway, this is the vehicle. I think it's a very nice vehicle. Everything is set up the right way on it. It's upping up the game for Red Cat Racing. Like and subscribe, because we succeed to get from Red Cat Racing some shirt, hats, stickers, and flags that we will be giving away. All you have to do, like, subscribe, and give us a comment, and we're gonna pick a couple of the comments that we like and contact you back and send you some goodies. Also, all those vehicles, as soon as we're done with those video reviews and the runs, you're going to be able to buy them at our shop at 17540 Chatsworth Street, Granada Hills, California, zip code 91344, and we're going to sell them for a fraction of the price. And those not going to be beat up vehicle or anything like that. The only thing that we're going to do, we're just going to go do a couple run with them. We're going to get a very clean, brand new vehicle for a fraction of the price, just because we tested it for you guys on the video. That's it. This is Eric at RC Monster Garage, MotoStyle Hobby Shop. Our next videos, like and subscribe so you can see whatever we're going to post. We're going to check in the Camo X4 and the Camo TT and do comparison between of them. One is a short course truck and one is a rock racer, and those are coming next. This is again the brushless version of Red Cat Racing for the new Dukono vehicle. I hope you like it, and we're going to compare them head to head later on with another vehicle and see how they fit together, how fast they go, how far they can jump. Like and subscribe. This is what you get out of the box, the new Red Cat Racing vehicle.